Good afternoon, loves. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm just going to show you how to cook ugali. So in a sufuria, put in some water. You're going to put in water that is equivalent to the people that you're going to serve the ugali. Sprinkle in some maize flour. For those of you who don't know, ugali is made from maize meal here in Kenya. So the maize meal, when you sprinkle it, it actually helps you to see when the water really boils, like actually boils and ready for cooking ugali. Now that the water has boiled, we are going to add in some maize flour. You're going to use your eyes to measure, but if it's your first time, you're just going to add it slowly until it gets the consistency that you want. But first, we're just going to add the maize flour, spread it in that water, cover it, and let it boil for like a minute or two tops. So now we're just going to stir it until we get the consistency that you want. You remember when I was telling you that if it's your first time, you just add it slowly. Now this is where you'll add the maize flour slowly until it gets the consistency that you want. Personally, I like my ugali soft. There's some people who just like the ugali hard. So let's stir this until it gets the consistency that I want.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Shaping it into a ball, getting it ready to be plated. We're just going to cover it one last time and then we plate it. And the ugali is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. Let me see you on my next one. Bye bye.